Blessed love. Big up to all our people them we used to subscribe. We subscribe to DJ Crazy YouTube channel or we used to watch it. See me I say? Because me know no found I wonder how and now say we are posting a new video. But yeah what? Them Aqua channel and we now no access to it. See me I say? So we can't post no video because we now no access to the channel. Then take it over completely. We decide so we are going to start a new channel. So here are my peeps. Want to run over YouTube or subscribe to a new channel. Yeah, Sound System World TV. That's our new channel we are run with. We are try our fight again. Sound System World TV. Yeah, so more to just run up back a subscription on that channel for me. Please and thanks. That we can go there go do the real work for now. You see me, because I don't know we go all over, you know. All over Jamaica. We go on a different sound system. New, old, small, big, in between. You see me? You don't know how we that. All over Jamaica. So now just run go over YouTube right now. But subscribe to that channel, yeah. Sound System World TV. Our new channel that we are trying to offer. As we say them act DJ Crazy. And we can get back the channel. We try several things and we not get it back. So we have to just forget about it. You see me? So yeah what? Go over YouTube right now and just click on the subscription button. You see me I say? Yeah. Run up the subscription. That we can do the thing. You see me I say? So now go over YouTube right now. Subscribe. See me I say Sound System World TV. That's Sound System World TV. See me I say? Right now. Please and thanks. You just do it. You hear my side? Sound System World TV right now. Over YouTube. New channel. Brand new channel. You see me I say? You just go over there go subscribe right now. Yeah.
Killaman Jaro, best body sound of the world every time. It's me I say. Killaman Jaro sound, if you know say you're pretty, I want some sound boy. Kill it sound now. Yeah. Jaro kill a sound in any ghetto. Sound boy have behind, sound boy have run. When don't play the Jaro sound. In any ghetto, Jaro now go lose. We no know me know. This is no longer bad. Killaman Jaro, turn up the volume with quality bass line. God Almighty's on the line. Mr. Mikey General, step right on the line.
Well, blessed love, easy Freddy, I don't know. Mr. Ike, all the family, we love on it every time. Sing, as your brother spoke it, sing. They go rhythm, I don't know, sing. Yeah, it's a Killaman Jaro, gonna wipe away your sorrow. Yeah. The Jaro and the dance on king.
Killaman Jaro, turn up the volume with quality bass line. God Almighty's on the line. Mr. Mikey General, step right on the line.
Well, blessed love, easy credit, I don't know. Mr. Ike, all the family, we love on it every time. See, as your brother spoke it,
Side and I connect with people. See, so this is just a pop out.
Gonna wipe away your sorrow. Yeah.
And that's how Killaman Jaro, for this combo sound of the year.
We never lose the clash. We always have to win. We are dance on king. Ready, have a feeling we begin. Hey, everywhere we go, people love us so.
Oh gosh, turn on, 'cause it is love. What we got to do is teach it to the world. Teach
Jaro, you know. You know, so we're about fun, don't fight, and no one, no Gideon. Kind of ready. Any situation, let it go. Whoa, baby. Whoa,
Killaman Jaro. Jaro. Not its own.
this happens in the dance. So I get it. Say Jaro is the dance. So I get it. Jaro has so much that place to give it to us so bad face. And if I select a passing place, you'll feel the agony. In other so glad, I get the plan. Jaro so no gun banter. In other so glad, I get the plan.
So giving up is not a part of me. So Jaro bubble and never see. But it's the last of the best of me. So Jaro do will never be. Tell the fool I went to run. And let me jump on the fireball. To the other line we look up.
I must say, Killaman Jaro.
Well, it's a jumping from one.
Once again, this is no more time to legendary Killaman Jaro.
Just still not in my eyelids to last year. Roll it further, roll it further. Roll it. Come on, no, someone coming to lose. Jaro song, play it now. Hey, well, it's a jumping from all over. Come to criticize the Jaro. Races from all corners. Visualizing in a Jaro.
Once again, this is no more time to legendary Killaman Jaro.
To my family and foe, say Mount Zion, Jaro they go. Tell them, Jaro, roots now.
Yes, the highest motion in Africa themselves, Killaman Jaro. So the highest sound is Trooper. Just the rest of that. Killaman Jaro. I'm fighting for a match up on the last one to wipe on a big bad wicked. Fighting for a match up on the Jaro's soul of pain. Life would never be hard.
Jaro, I go kill them. Jaro, I go murder them. Jaro, I go kill. Kill them some. Jaro, kill them some. At least I want to stop from the Jaro's name. Jaro, I go.
But the this is very good to make it. Jaro, pretty very good. It's the brother.
Killaman Jaro and I must represent. For God can't go now, but the backlash.
Jaro, kill people. Kill.
We will take it to the edge. We will take it to the edge.
ready to go, you're the champion, juggle on.
Got it, song.
Pop, pop, jump and skip and jump and strike. Oh, jump and song, you can beat me. When I sing a song, that's for the people. Move that thing from that place. Kill them G's, move and make it sweet. You're a champion, juggle on. We're juggle for the people, so right, Killaman Jaro, the champion, juggle on.
And we say, Jaro ready, Jaro ready, big them ready. Jaro ready, Lord. Already, Jaro ready, fit them to just beat them to the kill pants and boy.
Once again, this is number one band. Do that in every Killaman Jaro.
The world know that. Sing Jaro song. Run thing selector. And me say Jaro ready, whoa. Jaro ready for them dread. Jaro ready, whoa, Lord. Already Jaro ready for them to just beat them up to the kill pants and boy. Yes, ready, we're ready again. Forget them up to the kill pants and boy. Jaro gonna beat all them idiots and boy, lordy, who wanna try to play Jaro song, lordy, Trooper gonna beat all them idiots selector who wanna try to disrespect Jaro. Oh no, Jaro no, let them run so. Lordy, how can some sound boy say they gon' kill Jaro? They won't live until tomorrow. Tell them no people, how can some sound boy say that they are the best when Jaro rule east and west? Oh no, how them fit best Mr. Jaro?
Jaro. Got it, song.
This is a champion sound with Killaman Jaro. I'm a lyrical Jamaican. Special dedication to all the Killaman Jaro fans. Say easy with the truth.
Jaro. Got it, song.
This is a champion sound with Killaman Jaro. I'm a lyrical Jamaican. Special dedication to all the Killaman Jaro fans. Say easy with the truth.
Jaro. Got it, song.
Killaman Jaro place. Now you started to delay. And in the middle of the station, now you're some boy above the clock, the dance. Captain Jaro showing the place overhaul.
Kill man, we no business. We kill man dead.
Some boy of the next you can't play them, I say a thing. I know you reach at Killaman Jaro place. Now you started to delay. And in the middle of the station, now you're some boy above the clock, the dance. Captain Jaro showing the place overhaul.
Killaman Jaro. Sun going out of sorrow. Oh, killing the sun when we never ever.
Jaro. Got it, song.
Killaman Jaro. Sun going out of sorrow. Oh, killing the sun when we never ever. Killing the sun when we never ever. Killing the sun when to keep us so sweet. For the sun will give you one. For the sun will give you one.
easy. Oh God, sing it. Music start to the finger, bam, bam, bam. My style, I watch them boy there. So, well, no competition, no. One song,
This is no longer bad. Don't let you be Killaman Jaro.
Mountains around Jerusalem. Boy, you labor in vain, little jump on. Killaman Jaro was the champion. Hey, musical gunman. Boy, without the musical selections, well, there's a more than a yo, hey, I girls were taking a man one easy. Oh God, sing it, girl. Music start to the finger, bam, bam, bam. My side, I watch them boy there. So your heart with, and we not trust sound. We not take, not a check from no clown. No for friend enemy, and them many and true. Dirty money, jump and gone, funny. Give me a smile at the skies, them quick fish, I can. Killaman Jaro, the champion boy. Friend enemy, no for many, them fight his majesty. No boy can't challenge me, Jaro. Hey, son killer, trump and murderer. He's smiling at your face, boy.
I know Killaman Jaro.
And crew. One more time for the case, Bob Andy and Marcy Griffiths, alongside Killaman Jaro, Crazy D, Freddy, and you run things, you know. Let's go selector. Come in back,
Crazy D, I'm ready. Just for you. I knew one day we'd meet for a clap.
Yes, Marcy and crew. One more time for the case, Bob Andy and Marcy Griffiths, alongside Killaman Jaro, Crazy D, Freddy, and you run things, you know. Let's go selector. Come in back,
Crazy D, I'm ready. Just for you. I knew one day we'd meet for a clash. Someone I always look forward to that. Look at it now, Killaman Jaro's got you in the ring. He's gonna whip you and show you who is the king.
It's alright with me to kill a sound boy. We gonna show them Jaro's no tie. We gonna show some the place to your head. We gonna whip them and make sure they're dead.
Jaro killing some from where? And we still have to get to them. Me not come mess up with my girlfriend. Bad sound I play for them. Hear them and call it sweet. Jaro, you a champion. How could this be? You go give them selection. Show them now. The place we play. Jaro teach them.
So damn, this is no longer bad. The legendary Killaman Jaro.
Alright then, listen this Killaman Jaro sound right now. It relates to it. Some little sound, little chuckle, over sound, little rockle. Burning, I see a lion flames representing to Killaman Jaro and I'm watching a map at myself every time. Freddy Cougar, the real general, the large, I'm watching a David. Here with the problem, Sean. Burning, Buffett. Oh. Hey, burning now.
So damn, this is no longer bad. The legendary Killaman Jaro.
Say, I Killaman Jaro sound, them a dig it away. I pray, I send a drum and a bros away, cause them sound it big on. I say, yes, just in case you never know. I this is a and Killaman Jaro. I long time we a talk is like them never listen. I tell them say the plate will shine and glisten. Every day and that's all I get missing.
Yeah. But I want like that little song, why it was that woman next door who said she couldn't take that smell no more.
Jaro.
So she get on her cell phone and call the police to come kick off Freddy door. He must go get on all young for me guys. But if it wasn't Philadelphia, he would have been in a jail. Freddy has said,
problems and security. Yeah, me, it never going out and coming in. Hey, Jaro a murder jump on. We kill them one by one, yeah.
And I follow Killaman Jaro.
Hey, Jaro them are the champion. Boy, with the musical selection. No sound boy can't walk. Thanks for life, not them problems. Give thanks for life. Sound boy violate, them a die. Yeah, you me. Today I rise like the sunrise, my bright and my upright. No one can broke my vibe.
Never Killaman Jaro.
That fool them, you know. Watch them can't come this Killaman Jaro, the original. Freddy Krueger, people say watch them up and sing it Irish Riley. Hey, give thanks for life. Problem Sean, give thanks for life. Sound boy violate, them a die. Yeah, you me. Today I rise like the sunrise, my bright and my upright. No one can broke my vibe. Well, it's so Killaman Jaro, every day, every night. Some boy, you can say what you want to, do what you want to, it's no concern to we. Because we have our own vision, with them on our own mission. Jaro, no mercy, when it's mine. And they do what the fuck I want to. And Jaro, sound.
Hey, Jaro was from 1969, I know them close. Blessing a fall down on them. If I have to go and book of them. We in a other level, get them can't touch the Killaman Jaro fire. Yeah, not cause. Hey, whoa, it's Killaman Jaro. Yes. Killaman Jaro can be lock down the city. Without no pity, make some sound boy got dead like that. No, you gotta lose. Them can't cheat with Killaman Jaro run from it now. Become the level of the score. Sing, yes. Originally candle. Alright then. Say them go burn down words. Can't tell me Jaro plan cassava. Them fly like a bird. Them a run like gold cassava. Say them go burn down words. Can't tell Killaman Jaro fi plan cassava. I see them fly like a bird, no. I see them fly where God, boy. Hey, the way them set it is fitting get harder. Check say we are fool, that's why we try to carry. Say the road narrow, how we find it broader. Be a thing to see a one of this saga. I feel for me the potty and jab back for me ladder. Higher class people turn it in a laughter, but what a thing when my pen will out in Prada. We are thinking straight up God alone, we not chat alone. Sing, yes. Originally candle. Alright then. Say them go burn down words. Can't tell Killaman Jaro fi plant cassava. Them fly like a bird. This them a run like old cassava. Say them go burn down words. Can't tell Killaman Jaro fi plant cassava. I see them fly like a bird, no. I see them fly where God, boy. Hey, the way them said it is fitting get harder. Check say we are fool, that's why we try to carry. Say the road narrow and we find it broader. Be a things we see a one of this saga. I feel for me the potty and jab back for me ladder. Higher class people turn it in a laughter, but what a thing when my pen will out in Prada. We are thinking to see and listen. Hey, Killaman Jaro say push up on the line. No boy can't push straight up God alone and not chat alone. Sing, yes. Originally candle.
Alright then. Say them go burn down Europe. Can't tell Killaman Jaro to plant cassava. Them fly like a bird. Say them a run like Bolt and a Sava. Say them go burn down Europe. Can't tell Killaman Jaro to plant cassava. I see them fly like a bird. I see them fly where God boy.
Now this is the big bad sound, Killaman Jaro. Yeah, I'm introducing to you. No other than Youth and Green Man. The big bad sound, Killaman Jaro. Yeah. Ah boy. Killaman Jaro come to kill. Let's be the reading of the will. Killaman Jaro come to kill. Daddy Jaro come to kill. Tonight, let's be the Jaro.
Got it song.
Now this is the big bad sound, Killaman Jaro. Yeah, and I'm introducing to you no other than Youth and Green Man. The big bad song, Killaman Jaro. Yeah. Ah boy. Killaman Jaro come to kill. Let's be the reading of the will. Killaman Jaro come to kill. Daddy Jaro come to kill. Tonight, let's be the reading of the will. Tonight, hey, what you hear that song, boy, man, them belly dying for their own. Now this is the big bad sound, Killaman Jaro. Youth and Green Man, the big bad sound, Killaman Jaro. Yeah. Ah boy. Killaman Jaro come to kill. Let's be the reading of the will. Killaman Jaro come to kill. Daddy Jaro come to kill. Tonight, let's be the reading of the will. Tonight, hey, what you hear that song, boy, man, them belly crying for their own only tonight. Tonight, Killaman Jaro play in the ghetto. Some boy coming on the dance zone with them teen pants on. Killaman Jaro, Killaman Jaro, I'm on. Some boy coming out the dance zone with them teen pants on. They want is the Jaro, but they must get choked out. Don't you run now, some boy, you won't get away. Out of this little will die. Hey, when Veronica eyes, Killaman Jaro got the style to make all some boy run wild. I wanna hear you sing. Whoa, I can tell you story. One could test me, say Jaro can do. Jaro can do. But listen to us say now. When Jaro takes the dance floor, people everywhere stand by for moon. They all know by the diamonds that we got. Even whisper, it was so nice, yeah. But it's a like the guy that's standing close away. As he watched us from the corner of his eyes, he knew that movement was so great. Jaro, get that out the way. Jaro, kill that sound today. Oh, mama, hey, oh yeah. What's the places you walk and mind the way you talk? What's so calm? This is no vampire to let you never kill each other. What's so for the big time people who claim say that them smart? But I bring in the crack and the gun to come and show for you them are dance all around me. Jaro, the cafe, Jaro. I hear that sound. Oh mama, hey, oh yeah. K-I-L-L. I'm on Bombo Jaro. Some for the vampire who will sneak up in the dark. What's all for the big time people who claim say that them smart? But I bring in the crack and the gun to come and show for you them are dance all around me. Jaro, the cafe, Jaro. I hear that sound, Jaro. Killaman Jaro. Ooh, it lives. Well, up your foot and show your class. And I said, but I'm them dance and them safe in a safe. No listen to no public talking and come from them heart. Jaro, nurture the road where them walk. And I watch them funny face, cause the whole of them are hate. And I said, but I'm them dance and them safe in a safe. No listen to no public talk, come from them heart. Ready, in nurture the road where them walk. It near miles. Killaman Bumbleclad Jaro, kill we kill people. Kill. L.A. Kill. Blazing, burning, 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 we say just can't stop. Anyway, Killaman Jaro, yo, afraid they give me the fire figure, damn them. Afraid they give me the fire figure, burn them. Killaman Jaro, give me the fire figure, burn them. Red hot, let's go make you run and show them something for their Killaman Jaro. So we say, for some more and more, yo, I will bomb, yo, out there. Yo, this is what they should have known. Yeah, Killaman Jaro on the star for the show. Oh, and I did them for no. Killaman Jaro tell them something, yo. So they say, no, what's the funny face? Cause the whole of them are hate. And I said, but and them last all them face in a face. No listen to no public talking and come from them heart. Jaro, nurture the road where them walk. And I watch the funny face, cause the whole of them are hate. And I said, but and them last all them face in a face. No listen to no public talk, come from them heart. Freddy, in nurture the road where them walk. It may miles.
I was just saying, so we sound like clowns. Say it, I just get it, and I think it up. Yeah. Show for you to them, say. Peace and blessings manifest with every lesson learned. If your knowledge rate your wealth, then it would be well earned. If we were made in His image, then call us by our names. Most intellects do not believe in God, but they feel us just the same. On and on and on and on. Jaro keep moving like a rolling stone. No, on and on and on. This is the truth of the law. I got to go on. Where you walk to them now? A stronger, to give us the powers to conquer. Boy, Lord, boy, stronger. How we body alone and can conquer. Killaman Jaro, tell them we're stronger. To give us the powers to conquer. Boy, Lord, boy, stronger. How we no sound boy can conquer. I let them know, trooper, I look at food and in a desolate place. Heart of picking people to in a your place. Rasta man work them all a try to give it. You remember the visit, this is not no years. Don't let you never kill a man in a rap race. We don't only come in the business, we are guys at the game. We brothers and we sisters, them we could be in the case. Let's be the leader. No sound never kill we. Kill man, in a business. Kill man, dead. Never kill we. No sound never kill we. No sound never kill we. How do them feel them hot? Them get took like up. Them never kill we. We say them sit down on them. We go down, go them the bus like we under the one street. When I go like we go on to the repeat. Trooper too fierce, said Killaman Jaro sound too bright. Said that little damn boy out the harder. They will do them in polite, them a tell we say Trooper too fierce, said Killaman Jaro too bright. Said that little damn boy out the harder. They will do them in polite. So we sing out over the land, we when the fire starts burning. Yeah. They fuck them again. The sun, the moon, the rain, the stars and the mountain. Jaro give you the world and all that you wish for and even more. Jaro kill that sound and we no care. We no care. I'll climb high and so swim the water sea. Nothing can discourage me. Killaman Jaro kill the sound and we do killing, night we do killing. Fear that's how boy we have the special time. It's not the we do killing, night we do killing. Not to invention, so in the evening, in the day when we play from some boy like take a pill, take up for when the spirit right. For first time that we both felt
Shots got them going. Ooh, yeah. Hey. I don't smoke cigarettes, cause it will stop my breath. I'm a no stick coke, cause it will make a joke. And all I smoke is a real cushion pain. Cushion pain, I can't come to my intent. Pass the cushion pain. Pass the cushion pain. Pass it over. Jaro no play jump and sound. Jaro kill them. Oh well. And we no play alongside. The man no grind. Oh boy. And we do take up the load back 10. When we are fire them like the 10. Shot the jump at them. Shot a turn them over. Shot the jump at them. Shot a turn them over.
Rickytrooper, don't want yourself, Kate. Ask the crew from Jaro. You know? Check it. I'm a rude boy, you helper. Man, I no helper. All Roses school, man from Spangler. DG bad boy school from Rima Pelper. That Killaman Jaro utter. Rude boy, you helper. Man, I no helper. All English school, man from Canada. Just one rude boy school from America Pelper. That Rickytrooper utter man a pelt. Here, girls. We giving out a warning. Them don't sure until if to see a money. We giving out a warning. Jump and sound, I say this is a lesson. In a day dance, from this Jaro we have a shot out to me. Dancehall, wally person are dead. From them this much of band, yes, on the place red. From down to Macaward. In a soundsystem. Sound boy, you have had your little bit of fun before a Jaro time now. Killaman time now. Arms out for your play, we not play no more. A bad boy time now. Killaman time now. Sound boy, you have had your chance before Jaro kill them now. Just them now. Arms out for your play, can't play no more. Now we kill them now. Hear this, Killaman Jaro sound. We found and the every day this is. So who are the listen? I who them listen? Committing the ultimate sin. When Rickytrooper in a dancehall, how we teach him. When we play a sound, them a little stinting. Now we got sound and I come up in a foreign. I wonder how we dig him. Sound boy, you have had your little chance before. Killaman Jaro now. Oh, what time now? Jaro.
Once again, this is none other than the legendary Killaman Jaro.
My Babylon is burning down like wild bushes, yeah. Babylon is burning down like a caveman, yeah. Babylon is burning down. Hail to the High King Celestia, you cha-cha, Rastafari. Mr. Trooper, Killaman Jaro, stay up. Oh, cha-cha, one black love, you know. I burn them, you know. So Trooper send them on them that row, living like down in Jungle. Oh, Babylon is burning down like wild bushes.
Killaman Bumbuckler.
Babylon is burning down like a caveman.
K-I-L-L.
Babylon is burning.
Aman Bumbuckler.
Rastafari. Mr. Trooper, Killaman Jaro, stay up. Oh, cha-cha, one black love, you know. I burn them, you know. So Trooper send them on them that row, living like down in Jungle. Oh, them that row, them living like pigeon and crow. So make we send them on them that row, living like down in Jungle. Oh, them that row, them living like pigeon and crow. Yeah, Marco Chavez, when they look at things, when they think of blow, things are not ready for the show, that means the eyes and I know. If anyone say the yard, that's what the living if you show.
And for them still got to blow. And all the wrong trumpets, all troops, I got touch them a blow. And all the wrong country, I got touch them a roll. Come me think of it to go. It's the one thing me know. If a good seed you sow, and a good seed we grow. If a bad seed you sow, and a bad seed we grow. As I ride they can say when it go. Ask me little everyone, and will tell you so. Well, it's a you wanna get over.
Start time such as life. It goes on till it's fresh and crush the people with no right. Lane and avenues, them clap them tight. Over Jaro sound, hold on them uptight. Not the Superman, all them charge. It no matter since you come and deep for the Ethiopia are the first. We want to learn that. It's a one that Killaman Jaro. I know they get to use them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark is them surname. Homeless, who bears them pain? From the mess I see them picking up them brains. Homeless, who is to be blamed? Question mark is them surname. Homeless, and who bears them blame? Jaro with fire and flames. Well, bless up those who bring. Give them a big new money with a face. Just like a father, where is the head? But the privileges and corner. Them get fear, them side rickytrooper. Come on them out, cause I'm to your sister. Yeah, resist, alien brother. So let's see what's going on. But the privileges and corner. Them get fear, them side rickytrooper. Come on them out, cause I'm to your sister. Yeah, resist, alien brother. So let's see how you're king of kings. To a foolish, up to express. Jaro them sound boy, they juggling praise it. Alien para, king of kings. To a foolish, up to express. Jaja that I own. Hey, go tell them say, never come back, sorry, Martin, don't have this. Jaro, come and come and I know you think so like that. Only rise, I know you kill them man. Jaro, Babylon give them a right, feed them money, get them money, and then break. What is that doing on the side corner, the vibes of flow? What about all them, you know me, I should say? Yeah. Not now. Killaman Jaro. Babylon give them a right, feed them money, get them money, and then brain what's up on them. So we find out enough sound boy, you find them turning. Then brain what's on them. Well, run go tell them say, it's a red that can raise. We on this, that sound boy, I drop them, go tell them revolution. And that's we go over them. We all for you. Well, Marcus, give a break. Sit down, come, set him on the west. That's all the liberty, intellectual like Smith.
With that bang we can, yeah, bang we can, because sound get the feed, blessings. This is Admiral Tibet Consciousness from Killaman Jaro sound, ears to ear sound, says. With that bang we can, yeah, bang we can, because all the other sound them abroad. But all of them I do, all of them I say, I want to sound what I say. Oh, nah, Killaman Jaro, everybody. None of them posted it about life. Yeah, that's the man Killaman Jaro. We're going to go down, but them about life here under the wireless street. K-I-L-A. You want to disrespect my comments, I can't carry their fucking face. Oh, nah, Killaman Jaro, everybody. None of them posted it about life. None of them posted it about life. None of them posted it around. Life is a treasure that cannot be measured. Again, none of them posted it about life. None of them posted it about life. None of them posted it around. Life is a treasure that cannot be measured. Well, I host and them, but on them. Now you want to give me now, Lord. Blood, they find it in your blood. This is how they find your body.
louder. Try put that sound there, punk. Whenever select anything that's rock, fun with a blast. Just so that most of them. All children. Back up. All children. Think again to this. Relevant and never shy. Put it behind them, eye. Clear aside, clear hearing, you know? Clear tasting, clear presentation. Back up. All children. Think again to this. Relevant and never shy. Put it behind them, eye. From the suit that another them really want to take your guy. Woman, I never bow. Put it behind them now. You gotta lose the man, never shoot the man, them got to rickets and now on. Woman, never. I can run this one, give you some of the rest of the time. You're not for you can talk. Because the baby must have got a man, never does the man, and then never be called about myself. My body, all over, yeah. Together. Sing it over. Sing that. In the beginning of time when my body's calling for you, baby. But call you up and let you know that your mother in it. 969-7325. Trooper, I walk your body, wait for your body. So my body all over, your body, baby. Your body all over, my body. It's my body, it's my body, it's my body, baby. No one of my body is beautiful. Girl, you just know you know your boyfriend shit. And your boyfriend and he with foolishness. And with your best friend of my number, please make she give you it. Yeah. You can call my number 7119. Or if me home and give you some proper grind. If your boyfriend, you can take him off your mind. So baby love, I say you better call me Tyrone. That's my prerogative. Yo, we don't super crazy, but I really don't care. I'm living on my girls them way. So who the boy with the freaky question? You try to destroy my life, just so when we go and murder sound. Got Jaro, I try to survive. Jaro is active. I know the way that you know we killing spiritual lyrical. Down get that which water up in this motherfucking place. Well, on the streets of Jamaica, come in special delivery. I doubt get out, you know it's Killaman Jaro. I doubt get out, you know it's Killaman Jaro. We chatting with this fucking sound like a sorrow. I doubt Bossy won't lose him arrow. I doubt get out, one time ready. Go get them fucking guns ready. I doubt get out, lyrical, you know we killing spiritual, lyrical, or physical. I doubt get that which water up in this motherfucking place. Well, on the streets of Jamaica, come in special delivery. Jaro come with this new discovery. Why them mess with the man who says she don't know the lovely. Last word with the student, them still in a recovery. Now they want a current situation getting ugly. I am from the ghetto, about them luxury. Get them from them rugged sites all about the Bentley. The riches and the bitches and the ice and the Bentley. Ready from the streets here to see like hey. Motherfucking nation, it's all on. Can you take it on? Killaman Jaro didn't know. One of the stop us, you didn't have this job. Fight caliber, put them up on New York and put them up on caliber. Saddam Hussein said that but he man end up push out on the caliber. From them in a deal to put them up in a different.
push the bush in the back, so they get some black thing out Freddy Amosu.
Jaro must be good like no. Killaman, Killaman Jaro, Killaman, man.
Dream. What's that for the lyrics? They get some black thing out Freddy Amosu.
Jaro must be good like no. No, I blood a gun like no. Police a come like no. Gunshot a beat like no.
Inspection in the street like no.
The street like no.
Then party in the morning like no. Family members calling like no. Drugs always calling like no. Informers be calling like no. Police be swagging like no. No tell me nothing happen for night time. Only got no friends, some man rush me with nothing. The people not to get me and it's the door. Shopping like in the jeep, but you see me,
Jaro me give me next millennium and them a pay me. That must be beginning of the ending of my enemy. I got the thing, element and the remedy. It's time to stop them resources and energy. I'm not equal, I talk energy. And the murder man from time on them a enemy. It's for you kind of one, two for me kind of one. They are sleeping on. Hey! What is that enough? Tonight is not enough. To the to get to again the hardcore stuff. What is that enough? For time is not enough. Yeah, it's a bunch of matter. What is that? No matter where you roll, I say you're too much on the line. I'll bring out this song, won't be the same right.
But you cool, anyway, you have Jaro. So when I go there, we're cooler than cool. Jaro son, we'll take some sunrise, say yo, get one bride, 1.5 bride. I see you know, them go get 2 brides. And cause rickytrooper for just pop off them stripes. Anyway, run that cause at midnight. Further on in the dance. Yeah man, alright. Bone ready, bone cool. Anyway, you have Jaro. So now go there, we're cooler than cool. Let's do a jump and soul, we say long in a hole. To them no see that in a them soul. This rickytrooper and a lift the level. So now go there, we're cooler than cool. Let's do a jump and soul, we say long in a hole. To them no see that in a them soul. This rickytrooper and a lift the level.
but Trooper, kill them tonight. Hey, serve the wall. We don't want to front from them.
Killaman, what is it? Killaman, man.
Yeah, friendship is good for life. Hey, guess what? When they are some boy a flex a fuck up on the life. But Trooper, kill them tonight. Hey, serve the wall. We don't want to front from them. I boost them, I boost them. Big pass to them, big me with the law. And Jaro go find out. I boost them, I boost them. Big pass to them, serve the wall. We don't want to front from them.
Them don't know about Jaro history. Them don't know how long we are trying. Too simple, them all want this way, but deep down through I'm the pamper guy. Well, to this Jaro would be risky. Mind travel and stop right. Left all your sing pants on in a mystery. Box boy select a leader.
Once again, this is none of the man. I'm letting them kill the Jaro. Once again.
Killaman Jaro, bassodyssey.
One
Jaro creator. Tell them chance and rise. In the youth no read up, come on, so free wise out with it. When I see some them up guys, some come to so read up and call up prayer to for them friend. Tell them chance and rise. In the youth no read up, do not set it up. As it is up, that's me now stretch out. King Selassie. Y'all them fool, alright, turn it up. Stepping in the show. Y'all mercy. Boy, you're dead this time. Me, I'm up on an MC that time. Oh, that same time. Hey, Mr. That doesn't give a nice. So speed them, man. So boy, inside. On your black and lies. Let this jump up in like my life. Don't tell me it's a fucking like easy. Never check the hard. Never check the street. Black pasta in the zone and never look at the read. One toes up, I don't go. Original, I'm not a fuck you, I'm Jamaica. Anywhere we come from. I say, and you are not again red. You are not again red. Don't think I'm buying it, just I don't feel it, just don't do me, come again red. Rickytrooper again red. Hear me, it's like one of my talk. Don't kill him, I'll show me the first time. Hey. They can't give me some of our we can't give it on a shed. I don't remember great well. You know what you're doing on that downside. I'm going to see the show. Tell them we have been power. So I don't make a fuck up out there. We have been power. No, I don't know what you're doing. I'm rude boys. So I'll bring this guy to the bottom of the undisputed Killaman Jaro. Are you the world now? Let's go.
Yeah, that's the man Killaman Jaro. For God can't go down to the bunch like we are on the morning street.
K-I-L-L. Kill a man. Jaro song.
Action take one, it's one
I'm rude boys.
So I'll bring this guy to the bottom of the this Jaro won't want to ace. They bring this guy somewhere we want down the place. This Jaro sound. I'm the Mr. Master, can't get them right. You can't smoke, you can't go stepping on your face. Got you in your ways, I'm making you out of place. Disrespect and frequent
Killaman Jaro. Jaro. Everybody's all in your name. Jaro, watching every move that you make. That is a part of a life's game. Yeah, even though you may be some pain, so you can't always stand Jaro sound. He'll give you and kick you down. Stand for you can always stand Jaro sound. He'll give you.
I go get this sound of the year. If I no Jaro, well, soundclash no pair. I go get this sound of the year. Tell them it's a sample. Tell them about what you wanna say. Reda. Killaman Jaro, you the people say what now? More fire. Hey, we go around people to Bamba Tipela. More fire, more Jaro, more fire. This wicked trooper sound you going the dinner. More fire, more Jaro, more fire. Hey, tomorrow headline be cleaner. More fire, more Jaro, more fire. Reda. Trooper bomba, tell them about them and you know they want to know. Anyone don't like it, but politician. They want to like it. We have Johnny Ross, you know. Killer, you know. What up, Predator? Well, Trooper hype again, he's by the problem. And no son, why a petty thief? Said he one of them, and not two of them. Them thief used to buy use breed. Trooper hype again, he's by the problem. Some select a boy a petty thief. Said he one of them, he come back again. Killaman Jaro. Oh, Mr. Champion, who back window. Who that? This is like Bumba Red. Joe, come stand up in the fire.
Yeah, that's the man Killaman Jaro. Full fire coming out with the back like they on the morning street.
K-I-L-L.
I'm gonna say Trooper, I'm gonna say Killaman Jaro, stay up. I'm gonna say more life, that's what I said. Yeah, man, for why? Oh, yeah, so that's the guy, Killaman Jaro. Oh, it's a champion song. Who that? Bumba Red. Joe, come stand up in the fire. Then we would have seen how far in a government this fella.
See the fire finger, see the fire hand. Let me see the anthem when I put man. Let me see the anthem when I put the speed on. Let me see the anthem when I put the speed on.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh Lord, Lord, Lord. Play them now. You better love me now. Oh Lord, Lord, Lord. Play them now. You better love me now or hate me more. 'Cause we still gon' live and we gon' be forevermore. We still gon' live. So me go tell them say, fool boy. See how you say bad man get up, you must take some man a fool boy. And the reason me a gun you down, I just feel like say you're fool. You don't know say you're fire and I say just get shot. Roll, lion a roll, lion a roll. Warrior, let's get from president my report me so. I'm from metal man, you don't know say Rastafari and I say space. Roll, lion a roll, lion a roll. Warrior, let's get from president my report me so. Curfew patrol what a thing now, yo. Let's get from president my report me so. Curfew patrol what a. King na king so some big gun let's link down. Jamaican patrol, I let me a go jump down.
Brixton, 9 just a big punish town. Mobile, Homestead, fast to death. I can't get you out, Jaro. What is it? Yeah. When everybody dead from man, we find out how to post it. Yeah. When everybody dead from man, we find out how to about. Yeah. When everybody dead with that, when everybody dead with that, niggas stop your move and post it. Bomba class. When everybody dead with Jaro, find out how to post it. Hey yo, hello, it's wild out up in here. Everybody clear. Hey yo, motherfucking niggas, you know, Killaman Jaro. We've been around. That one them shameless. Jaro pop it out and leave all them of them brainless. And now yet it fools who me no know cause them nameless. Never said them off it broken and the whole of them gameless. She said them shameless. Jaro pop it out. I know what this man is when them guys don't know him. When we come and quick. So you get the guns ready. One test Jaro, well tell them to come. Killaman Jaro, motherfucking junkies. Hey yo, Tracy like that so long ago. Hey yo, hello, Freddy, go get them motherfucking guns ready. Hey yo, hi, Killaman Jaro, motherfucking junkies, you know. Hey yo, kill them properly. Motherfucking niggas, you know. Kill them daily, weekly, man, quick. Freddy, get the guns ready. One test Jaro, well tell them to come. Them run out and look at Freddy, kill them for fun. Black blood shot till the kids red come down. Why you go yet before the rising sun? White like intelligent to drive like Jaro. Jaro come to kill and not to party in a war. I tell Freddy, judge here with the tail war. So you told me not when you assassinate one. From one minute, now Jaro them employ. Unless I can't work in them destroy. Who's the one that make me go in a heart? That was a matter about it like from God. No time to keep my I Jaro now. Yo, well bad man now watch girl. We know what the booms with all about and crowd girl. From girl to link we a thing about for catch girl. Name to a grind. All is a snatch girl. Man I don't pretend that we not fit in a chat girl. Oh yeah, no, I bring the dumb girl. So really can't change the whole.
No, you're mad when the mess round the trad. Them things they up in the sun to charge.
Kill man, kill man, dead.
What the more you wicked and bad. Say yes, Killaman Jaro, big up yourself.
Kill, sir.
Not
man.
sound can walk buffalo. Original looks place of ready, you don't know it now. Can't change you. Boom, bang, bang. Jaro tell them. No, you're mad when the mess on the trad. Them things they up in the sun to charge. No, you're mad when the mess on the trad. Killaman Jaro, what the more you wicked and bad. No, well. Bad man, no some pussy, no.
Killaman Jaro.
Remember, I'm going to want to run. Watch them out, I'm going to get the deal call. Well, Mr. 9, say to me, the 45
Say Killaman Jaro sound rule boy, them love Killaman Jaro, know why? Because when they come to Killaman Jaro sound, it's our own artillery. Run it! Our own factory. And when it comes to music, oh, we have that plenty. It's a Jaro production. All the time I Killaman Jaro. Remember, I'm going to want to run. Watch them out, I'm going to get the deal call. Well, Mr. 9, say to me, the 45 M16 and Magnum, now those two right. German nougat to and make those you two sing like what is a So me got slow them all. Killaman Jaro. And you can tell us the guy in the shit to show them the bad. This man know them judgment about. Oh, them can't test me so. I'm gonna say Killaman Jaro man. Do more fire. Watch me just go and blaze it. Mr. Harper, Bunny Papa, watch out now. Let's go more fire. Mr. Fox Almighty. Guess I want up on the charter. I would have all the matter. I would have talk, yo. Anyway, blaze up. Keep on your mouth. Talk too much. Talk too much. Talk too much. Anyway, when this is my and you say nothing. Jaro, but no them little fool, you feel nothing. So you so shut.
Yeah, I wish I know them boy that them out. Him? Alright, now, who's the man the big man and a bow? Which one? Yes, I select a day I took. Which one? In a short one, my mind did I tell me which one? First one, the vehicle and the fire with which one? You see your rap and them chicken wing. Which one? Oh no, see how this not the sitting. Which one? People who want me call the boy the name. Which one? Read between the line, I don't know. Which one? Select a boy the people offering. Which one? Somebody in them country man just in. Which one? Come and come pick up guns in. Which one? Them back and like say the boy they sting. Which
Killaman Bumbleclad Jaro.
Man, Jaro say fi bury them. We no matter them, yo. And a long time we no say that chat of them, yo. And we no matter them. The old flap of them, yo. A long time we know a gun flap of them, yo. And we no matter them. You know say a chat of them, yo. A long time we go know the water them, yo. No matter them, yo. We no matter them, yo. Blaze up the fire, yeah. Where Killaman Jaro, that's why them know say more fire. Freddie about the fire. Harper about the fire. Jamaica about the fire. The fire can't cool. So we say more fire. Red hot. Well, Killaman Jaro from the ready for dead. Just said dead. Dead. How that? Well done. Anyway. Something gonna put them in the burial spot.
Kill man in a business. Kill man dead.
We no matter them, yo. A long time we know say that chat of them, yo. And we no matter them. Big old flap of them, yo. A long time we know a gun flap of them, yo. And we no matter them. You know say a chat of them, yo. A long time we go know the water them, yo. No matter them, yo. We no matter them, yo. Blaze up the fire, yeah. Where Killaman Jaro, that's why them know say more fire. Freddie about the fire. Harper about the fire. Jamaica about the fire. The fire can't cool. So we say more fire. Red hot. Well, Killaman Jaro from the ready for dead. Just said dead. Dead. How that?
well done. Anyway.
Something gonna put them in the burial spot. About to them a fuck and it's a pussy them a suck so them slap. We put them in the burial spot. Them this Killaman Jaro, yo. I want you all of them slap. We go put them in the burial spot. And up for them go hip on them go up to them go flip up and flap. Go put them in the burial spot. Blaze up the fire, yo. Me say the whole of them slap. Killaman Jaro, we a tell you them dead. And up for them a beg. And up for them vex. 2 million bumper red. Me tell them and that girl back them nothing put them head. Me tell them say coke we make them fine like thread. Light up the fire, Jaro, the fire red. Say them like a batty man, yet full of dead. We come there for the juice, we come there for the dead. My time over there ahead. We put them in the burial spot. This Killaman Jaro, know me say the whole of them going to slap. Put them in the burial spot. Step it up. Come on, I've got man, so remember that. Big gun to boss, man, I surrender that. Man, a black man, so remember that. Yo, and if you're this Jaro, then you get a gunshot in your barrel. Can't get your barrel. Press release, we kill the beast. Tell them, say Killaman Jaro, yo, what them come on this, yo. Press release, we kill the beast. Hey, let's go to the car, you don't know, so the royal bless the room and them get up a seat.